Today, we're diving into the MERACH T05 Treadmill, a versatile 2-in-1 folding treadmill designed for home use. With a powerful 2.5 HP motor, this treadmill offers a smooth and quiet operation, keeping the noise level below 55 dB even at higher speeds. The upgraded fine copper motor provides a 120% horsepower surge and a 25% reduction in energy consumption. One standout feature is the free MERACH Fitness app, allowing you to connect your treadmill via Bluetooth. Unlock a world of workout courses, track your progress, set personalized fitness goals, and engage with the vibrant MERACH community. The app adds a dynamic element to your fitness journey. Comfort and safety are paramount with the non-slip and shock-absorbing design of the T05. The 5-layer non-slip running belt provides effective cushioning for your knees, joints, muscles, back, and ankles, reducing the risk of injury. The generous running area measuring 17" by 44" offers a spacious and secure workout space for every stride. Switch effortlessly between walk and run modes to suit your fitness needs. Enjoy a comfortable walk with speeds ranging from 0.6 to 3.7 miles per hour, or push your limits with up to 6 miles per hour in running mode. The 2-in-1 design caters to both leisurely strolls and intense workouts. Space saving is made easy with the T05's foldable design. After your workout, simply fold it up and tuck it away in any corner of your house or beneath furniture, reclaiming valuable space. The folded size is 57.5 foot x 28.9 x 4.4, and the unfolded size is 52 x 28.9 x 41.9. In summary, the MERACH T05 Treadmill offers a powerful and versatile fitness solution for home use. Whether you're looking for a comfortable walk or an intense run, this treadmill delivers on performance, comfort, and convenience. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.